Hey there, folks. It's Liz with YK Communications.
And Manuel, your friendly neighborhood internet guru.
Is that an official title?
Let's just go with it.
Okay.
Today we have an important message for all you DIY enthusiasts out there.
That's right. As you're tackling your outdoor projects, remember one thing. Call for you, Jim! Before you pick up that shovel or fire up that backhoe, be sure to dial 811. It's like speed dial for safety.
Dialing 811 puts you in touch with your local utility marking service. They'll come out and mark the location of underground utilities, like our precious fiber.
Because let's face it, nobody wants to be the reason their neighbor's internet goes out for the day. Call for you, Jim!
Imagine trying to binge watch your favorite show only to find out the internet's out because Dave from down the street decided to dig without calling 811. It's a simple step that can save you from a world of headaches and us from a frantic day of troubleshooting.
So the next time you're planning on doing some digging, do yourself and your neighbors a favor. Pick up the phone and dial 811.
Remember, it's not just about avoiding a fiber cut, it's about keeping our community safe and connected.
All right. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. And remember, call before you dig. Really? Friendly neighborhood internet guru?
I'm workshopping a couple of titles, come on.
You do you, man.